Today, I want to teach my children Igbo language. I found out that my children can't speak Igbo. Why me, their mother, I got A1 in Igbo. A1. But my children can't speak Igbo. So, we are starting from the scratch. Watch our space to see as we progress. Alright, children, come here. How do you say hello in Igbo? Hello.
I don't know.
Ndewo. Ndewo. Say, don't keep the car for. How do you say hello in Igbo language? Hello.
Adimma.
Little sweetie say Adimma. Hello is Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Little sweetie say Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Little dear say Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Little darling say Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Oh yeah, all of you repeat it. Hello, Ndewo.
Hello, Ndewo.
Hello, Ndewo.
Hello, Ndewo.
Hello, Ndewo.
Hello, Ndewo.
So one after the other. Little sweetie shout Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Little darling shout Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Little dear shout Ndewo. So I will ask you people now, what does Ndewo mean?
Hello.
What is hello?
Ndewo.
Good children. Bye everyone. See you in our next video.